The rent-to-income ratio is the most widely used tenant qualification standard, and understanding it properly makes you a better screener. The standard is simple. A qualified tenant's gross monthly income should equal at least 2.5 to 3 times the monthly rent. On a $1,500 per month rental, that means a minimum of $3,750 to $4,500 in verified gross monthly income. Why this ratio? Research on rental payment patterns shows that tenants who pay more than 30 to 40% of their gross income in rent face significantly higher rates of late payment and default. The 2.5 to 3x threshold keeps housing costs in a sustainable range for most households. Higher cost markets sometimes require a stricter ratio, 3x or even 3.5x, because of the higher absolute dollar amounts. A $3,500 per month apartment in New York requires an entirely different financial profile than a $1,200 unit in a rural area. Apply the ratio to gross income, not net. Use verified income, not stated. And look at stability. Income that's been consistent for 2 or more years is worth more than a recent jump that might not last. What about borderline applicants? A candidate at 2.3x with a strong rental history, 2 years at the same job, and substantial savings in their bank statements may be more reliable than a 3x candidate with no rental history and a new job. The ratio is a threshold, not the whole picture. TenantScreeningBackgroundCheck.com. Verify income as part of every comprehensive screening report.